Hi, this is Zach from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday the 6th of May. Starting off with Alexander Mining, and you can see here there's been a decent rebound above the or at the 50-day moving average, 0.18 pence. That completes a rising trend channel rebound from the end of December. Top of the channel currently heading towards 0.5 pence, and that's the target while we hold the 50-day line. A decent weekly close above 0.25 pence just to clear that 20-day moving average, the grey line, would be appreciated. RSI 53, so the RSI rebound as well, a leading indicator on potential fresh upside. On to Comms, a stock which is normally in focus with private investors and should be at the moment, given the way that we've got this healthy looking rising trend channel that one can draw from the autumn. Shares have bounced and seen the line there, the line from the end of November. And the target here as high as 2.5 pence. The momentum buy trigger on this occasion, 1.58 pence. So above that, on a decent end of day or a weekly close, should start the process where we see a push to the upside over the next 1 to 2 months. Next up, Forbidden Technologies, and here we've had a decent spike through the 50-day moving average at 10 pence. Initial target here was 14 pence, but we can perhaps modify that and raise that up to 16 pence, given the ferocity of the push that we've seen at the moment, or just over the last couple of sessions, and at this stage only back below the 50-day line at 10 pence even, would really suggest that this is a flash in the pan, such as the one we saw in March. The next stock here is Independent Oil and Gas, one which is never too far away from the limelight. We had a decent spike there towards 17, 18 pence last month. We didn't quite get up to the 20 pence that we were looking for at that time. Looks as though shares are finding some support here around the 11 pence zone and above the 50-day moving average of 10.36 pence. While there's no end of day close back below that feature, we are looking for 20 pence to be in focus again. If you're cautious on the shares, you'd wait for a clearance of the 20-day moving average at 12.5 pence. That's the grey line there, before pressing the buy button. Another stock which has been moving well over the recent past is Orsu Metals. We already temporarily hit the implied target here, 2.5 pence, for yesterday's session. So that does show how these support and resistance lines and the whole charting process can work surprisingly accurately. We've got a situation where there's support here, 1.2 pence at the 200-day moving average. While we're above that, we'd expect a proper retest of 2.5 pence over the next couple of weeks. Also bounce off this RSI support line from January as well, which is helpful and should ensure that we get another sort of bite of this particular cherry. In fact, a clearance of 2.5 pence could take the shares on to a new higher target of 3.5 pence plus over the following month or so. So everything to play there for Orsu Metals at the moment. Sarium has been one of the best stocks of the year to date, and so always worth having a look at where it is at the moment. Situation here is we're still in this sort of consolidation pattern within this rising trend channel from January. Support here coming in towards 0.7 pence, and while we're above that, really we're still looking for a target as high as 1.5 pence. If you're cautious on the shares, you'd wait for a clearance of maybe 0.9 pence, the late April peak, before taking the plunge on the upside. Just finishing off with Strategic Minerals, which in many ways is one of the stocks of the moment. Beautiful rebound here off the 200-day moving average, 0.24 pence. That's the black line. We're still chasing as high as 0.8 to 0.9 pence, top of this broadening triangle over the next couple of months. Nice end of day close above 0.4 pence should be enough to get us on the journey towards such a destination. That's it from me. More updates at the same time on Monday.